Presenting the Sony WI-C200 wireless neckband headphones that delivers superior sound quality. This in-ear headphone features a built-in microphone for hands-free calling with HD voice. It also comes with instant access to Siri and Google Assistant for all voice commands. The Sony WI-C200 headphone provides a playback time of up to 15 hours on a single charge. It also comes with fast charging option that adds 1 hour charge in just 10 minutes. This wireless in-ear headphone features behind-the-neck design, making it comfortable for all-day use. It comes with a round cable that is soft, flexible, and ultra-lightweight, making it easily portable. Each earbud has a built-in magnet for tangle-free carrying and storage. This Sony headphone comes with 9mm driver unit that delivers dynamic audio performance with deep bass and crisp treble for an immersive audio experience. You can connect to the headphone wirelessly through Bluetooth. It comes with an inline 3-button remote that provides easy music and call control. This headphone is available in black and white color variants. Inside the box, you will find Sony WI-C200 wireless headphones, USB cable, instruction manual, and reference guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.
The Sony WI-C200 wireless Bluetooth earphones. So basically now we're going to take an overview of the product itself and look at what we have on the box to figure out a little bit more about the product. So right here on the front, the first thing we can see is that the product does come with a 1-year warranty, and it has 15 hours of battery life, which is quite sizable, and it is also Bluetooth and wireless. So now let's turn it around and see if we have any more specifications here. So you do have quite a few specifications right at the back here. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.0, which is great. It also comes with the supported SBC, which is the standard Bluetooth codec, and the support for high-res AAC codec, which is great. It also comes with something known as echo cancellation, noise suppression, and side tone. So that is also good when you want to work without any distraction. The noise suppression will come in handy. Also, when you're taking calls, the side tone will let you listen to your own voice so that you don't talk too loud and disturb people around you, which is also great. You also have a built-in lithium-ion battery, which has a music playback time of 15 hours, as we saw at the front of the box, and a max standby time of 200 hours, which is great. The charging time on these is only 3 hours, and it also comes with fast charging abilities, which means that a 10-minute charge can give you up to 1 hour of playback time. It's also incredibly light, so it only weighs 19 grams, and they also come with hybrid silicone rubber earbuds, small, medium, and large. And they also come with USB Type-C charging, which is always appreciated, since most phones are usually coming now with USB Type-C, so you don't really want to carry an extra micro USB cable just to charge your earphones. You can also see right here that the earbuds are actually magnetic, which we'll look at in a while, and they also come with buttons, inline buttons on the modules actually, which can help you pause play the music, increase the volume, answer calls, power on and off, and a lot more. So now let's set the box aside and look at the earphones themselves. So as you can see here, these are pretty standard wireless earphones. This portion goes around your neck, and it's not a hard or a solid top right here, so it's not stable, but it still goes around your neck. So now let's look at the modules themselves, which are pretty large, which is probably what gives it such a great battery life of 15 hours. On the module on this side, the left side module, actually, you have all the playback buttons, as well as the little flap which reveals the USB Type-C charging port. So this is where you'll insert your charging cable. Let's close this up, and you can actually see the buttons here. They feel quite rickety and plasticky, but they also lack some tactility in our opinion. This button in the middle, when you long press it, it can be used to power the device on, and when you're listening to music, if you press it once, it'll pause and play the music. And these ones are used for track seeking as well as volume increase and decrease. So now let's look at the earbuds, which are quite compact. They are not angled, but they do have a slight conical shape and they look pretty good and compact. Now we were also told on the box itself that these have magnetic attachments, and they do right here. So basically when these earphones are not in use and they're lying on your chest, they will snap together magnetically and prevent from it dangling around. But we must say that the magnet is not too strong, so if you're looking for like a really secure grip, then these are probably not the ones for you. They are, however, a very compact and lightweight pair of earphones, and they feel really good in the hand. They feel quite premium, except for these buttons, which are quite plasticky and not too tactile. So that's about it for the overview of the Sony WI-C200 wireless earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.